This is why you need respect. No more excuses. Let's get it done. First, own your space. Stand tall, speak clearly. Confidence is key. Second, listen more. Really listen. People respect those who value their words. Third, be authentic. No masks, no pretending. Real recognizes real. Fourth, keep your promises. Reliability builds trust. Trust equals respect. Fifth, show respect first. It's a two-way street. You give, you get. Sixth, stay calm under pressure. Control your emotions. Strength isn't loud. Seventh, be decisive. Make choices. Own them. Eighth, educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Power earns respect. Ninth, be generous. Share your time, your wisdom. Influence grows. 10th, lead by example. Actions speak louder than words. Be the person you want others to be. Remember, respect isn't given, it's earned. You've got this. Now go out and conquer.